Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to talk about a book that has captured the hearts of millions of people around the world, the Devine Prayer, the second best manifestation in the world. This powerful book by Allama Muhammad Rumi is a beautiful expression of the spiritual journey that every human being undertakes in his life. The Devine Prayer is a beautiful collection of poetry that speaks to the soul and touches on themes such as love, loss, and the search for inner peace. The essence of this book lies in its ability to lead us to a deeper understanding of our own spirituality and the power of faith. One of the most captivating aspects of the Devine Prayer is its ability to manifest our desires. The author teaches us that even the second best speech in the world is better than nothing, because it contains the potential for growth and self-discovery. Throughout the book, Rumi beautifully illustrates the journey of finding one's spiritual self and the importance of living in the present moment. By embracing the simplicity of life and focusing on the beauty of the present, we can achieve a sense of inner peace and contentment. In conclusion, the Devine Prayer is a must-read for anyone seeking to deepen their spiritual journey. It serves as a reminder that we are all capable of achieving great things through our faith and determination. So let us be inspired by the words of Allama Muhammad Rumi and strive to manifest our desires to the world, knowing that even the second best manifestation is proof of our growth and resilience.